Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are in a different scenario because I'm currently in my brother's apartment since my new apartment's still not ready and I had to leave my old apartment. I mean, kind of a whole story there, but hopefully by next week I'll be posting in my new apartment. We'll see. Today we're going to be talking about the JOICO HYDRASPLASH, the mask and the shampoo as well. I'm really excited to tell you all about it, so let's go ahead and start this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. I just got out of the shower. I have to say there's something very different about this mask. The texture of it, it's like super jelly and kind of watery. It feels so different from any mask that I've ever tried before. Initially I thought that maybe, I don't know, it wouldn't penetrate the hair as much, but I ended up liking it a lot because in the end it was super easy to wash off. I left it on for 5 minutes like they recommend. I had to apply a little bit more product than usual, but I just don't know if it's actually necessary or not because I don't know, but I felt like since I wasn't really used to this different texture, I just didn't really know how much product to apply, and maybe I applied a little bit more than you should, but I feel like that's something that you kind of learn once you use it more and more. It wasn't like that usual feeling of cream when you apply a mask. It was super different, but I loved it. I love trying new things. I really love when these masks have these different characteristics because that tells me something that they're actually different from the other ones that I've tried. When I applied the HYDRASPLASH shampoo, I really loved the smell at first, so I just thought the mask would have basically the same smell, but turns out they smell really different from each other, and I really didn't like the smell of the mask. It's not bad, but I didn't love it, and I really loved the smell of the shampoo. I feel like the essence of both of them are basically the same. It smells super fresh and clean, but once you apply the mask you will feel that it has this different scent. I don't know if it's because of the texture of it, because it's jelly, I have no idea, but they smell different, and I love the shampoo and I like the smell of the mask, but I didn't love it. But like you can see, brushing was super easy. I love how my hair feels. It feels super light. Maybe because of the jelly texture, I feel like that would have a huge impact on the weight of your hair. Since this is for fine and medium hair, I feel like when we people with fine and medium hair use shampoos that are made for thick hair, our hair usually weights down a little bit, so it's not that great. But I feel like because of the jelly texture, my hair feels super lightweighted. Like I said, it was super easy to get all the product out, so I really love that about this mask. Also, something that I forgot to tell you about the shampoo. Usually hydrating shampoos don't clean your hair that much. I feel like I can talk that from my experience at least. My hair usually gets pretty oily after a while with hydrating shampoos, but from what I can tell while I was washing it off, I only applied it once and I felt like my hair felt super clean. It even made that sound, you know. I love when my hair makes that. But yeah, so it made that sound and I'm super happy. I love when hydrating shampoos do that because I have an oily scalp and my hair is pretty dry on the end, so it's pretty hard for me to find a hydrating shampoo that won't make my hair oily, so I'm really excited about this. Let's talk a little bit about what we can expect from this duo and a couple of benefits as well. According to JOICO's website, we can expect this duo to be replenishing the moisture of our hair, adding shine and softness without weighting the hair down. So I was right about the weighting the hair down. I love how the mask feels, and I can already say that it feels super lightweighted. I'm pretty sure it's gonna feel that way when I blow dry it as well. This shampoo itself has UV protection. It adds lightweight feeling to the hair. It repairs and reconstructs the hair and adds strength as well. It cleans the hair without stripping the natural moisture of the hair, and it also leaves the hair feeling soft and hydrated. A couple of ingredients in this shampoo. Coconut water is responsible for hydrating the hair, and it is also rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Plus, it is also a great source of of electrolytes, which helps the dry hair while also leaving it feeling light, bouncy, and healthy. The sea kelp is packed full of vitamins and minerals, which helps to provide a targeted moisture and vital nutrients for healthier looking hair. And finally, the smart release technology is one of a kind liposome delivery system that continuously releases the rose hip oil, arginine, and keratin that helps to repair, strengthen, and protect the hair from cumulative effects of daily styling. I ended up not buying the conditioner because I felt like in my case the mask would be enough, since I don't plan on using this on a daily basis. I plan on adding this to my hydrating step of my hair routine. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave the video here so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. But basically I plan on using this once a week instead of every day. Let's talk a little bit about the mask itself. It provides a 24-hour hydration for your hair. It leaves the hair looking replenished, shiny, and healthy after just one use. So let's hope we can see that after I blow dry my hair. Plus, it also doesn't weight the hair down. The same ingredients that are in the shampoo are in the mask, but the differential about this mask, it's definitely the jelly texture it has that doesn't weight the hair down like other hydrating masks would. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair does feel very, very lightweighted and super, I don't know, loose and fresh. I just love how it feels, and it smells really good as well, so I'm not really worried about the smell of the mask because right now it smells super clean and fresh and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead, blow dry it, and I'll be right back. It looks so good. Guys, I swear to God, I feel like my hair has never felt this soft before. I am in complete shock right now. The looks of it, it's not the best, but I definitely love it. I love how it shines. But what's most shocking about everything is the softness of it. I'm pretty sure my hair has never felt this soft with any mask that I've tried before. I don't even know how to explain. It just feels like silk. It's so soft, and I literally just blow dried it. I didn't style it in any way, so I'm pretty impressed by it. There's not that much of a smell left behind, which it's pretty good. I mean, I'm not getting the mask because of the perfume or anything like that, and I'd rather it not smell like anything at all than smell bad. It really just smells clean, I guess. I really like it. It's not something that bothers me at all. It's really interesting, and I really loved it a lot. It's like this feeling that your hair is super clean and super hydrated at the same time. It's just something really new that I've actually never experienced with any other mask before. If you have any products that you want me to try or anything like that, please comment them down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really love these products. I'm really happy I decided to try them out. If you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next week. Bye.